Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boys that boy named Dinah. Back at it again with another video. So for this video, I wanted to unbox a gift that not a gift, a prize that I won on a virtual karaoke challenge that I won off of Facebook. But before I go on with the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification button, and so that you get notifications when I'm uploading new videos like this. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna show you my gift, and I'll show you the video in just a little bit. But shout out to FJE, Food Junkie and Entertainment on Facebook, for the opportunity to be a part of the challenge and for this prize that I won. So it's right here. I haven't unboxed it yet. I got it. It's a big box, so like I'm very excited to open it. Don't be looking at my address unless y'all want to send me something. Yeah, I'm gonna open it right now. Actually, peep the video, okay? On this, yo, what's up? Dude, I didn't know it was coming on right now. What's going on? Yo, I'm gonna wait for everybody to come in, and then I'll start. What in the world? Shout out to Food Junkies and Entertainment for having me on this karaoke challenge. I was gonna hop on the next one, but the homie John was like, hey Brandon, what you got on? It's like, hold on. So I'm in the bathroom right now because then I feel like you get nice acoustics in there. And yeah, so oh, you can't hear me? Can you hear me now? You got this, Solid. Hi, Glenn. Yo, invite your friends, tell them to hop on, do all that good stuff. Hurry and sing. Bruh, I'm waiting for people to hop on before I start. So we can hear you. Okay. Yo, I'm gonna lose, so I'm just doing this just for fun, and I didn't know I was gonna hop on and sing, so yo, thanks. All praise and glory to God for this opportunity and for giving me this talent. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till I get to 55. Wait for at least 50. Okay, I'll wait for 50. So I'm gonna just sing off an instrumental. I'm gonna do, I know a lot of people are probably thinking, oh, you about to do Tennessee Whiskey. No, I'm not gonna do Tennessee Whiskey. So I'm going to do Tevin Campbell, Can We Talk? And I'll be singing off of an iPad. So 54, let's get it. All right. Can you guys hear it? Okay. Just let me know if you guys can hear it. All right. Oh Lord. Don't mind me. Last night I saw you standing, and I started pretending that I knew you. You knew me too. And just like a brony, you were too shy. But you weren't the only, 'cause so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. to write you letters, but I wanted to be more clever. I wanted to get down and sweet talk you. Hey, baby. But just like a baby, I could not talk. And I tried to come closer, but could not walk. And I think of it every night, how I just could not get it right. Oh, if we ever come close again, I know what I'll say then. Can we talk for a minute? Hey, girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Oh, girl, one more chance with you again. I will not let it go. Please give me just one more chance for love, 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 love. Can we talk? Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Come on and talk to me, baby. Come on, baby. I want to know your name. I said, can we talk for a minute? Come on and talk to me, baby. Said, I want to know your name. Hey. Normal voice, please. Yo, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to Food Junkies and Entertainment for having me on the challenge. God bless all the other contestants. Yo, I had fun. Thank you guys again. Yeah. 206, we in here. Yay! Alright, bye guys. Thank you guys. Yeah, so that was the video that I was voted for and I won. But yeah. I'm gonna open up this and I wanted to show you the prize that I won. So I won a karaoke machine, which is so cool. And you know, I was like, okay. I figured I do an unboxing. Let's see. Okay. Okay, hold on. I do not need my stand to fall on me, okay? So, let me put this box right here. Okay. This is it. Okay, open it. Sorry, guys. It's a lot of tape. All right. So yeah, I'm recording on my bed, so let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. Sweet. Alright. So that's what it looks like. Let me just show you how it really looks like. Oh my gosh, my stomach is grumble to me. The stomach is grumbling. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Dope. And there's two of these microphones, yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That is so awesome. Thanks again, FJE, for the opportunity and, you know, for my prize. And to all the other contestants that sang with me that day. Man, you guys were amazing. And thanks for everybody who voted for me. You guys are awesome. But yeah. Yeah. Thanks you guys for tuning in to my unboxing of this prize. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what other content you want to see on my channel. If you guys want to see more singing videos or more mukbangs or more mukbangs, let me know. But don't forget to tell your mama, tell your daddy, your auntie, your auntie. Did I say auntie, your uncle, your auntie? Everybody, your grandma, your grandma, her cousins, everybody. Tell them about your boy. Tell them to subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. And we're out. Yeah.